This will be the GoVizzle.com sorting creation activity. You're going to log in with the provided username and password. Once you have typed those in, you will click log in to log into the website. Upon logging in, you will see this screen. On the left side of the screen, there are 4 words. We are going to click the word create for this tutorial. Once you click on create, you'll come to this next screen. You will notice there are a multitude of activities to choose from. We are actually going to click on the button at the bottom that is labeled Legacy Lesson Types. Once you click on the button that says Legacy Lesson Types, we are going to make sure that we have the sorting activity selected by going over to the left and clicking on sorting. Once sorting is selected, we're going to go back over to the button that says go to authoring and click on that button. Once you click on go to authoring, you will come to this screen. This screen will be your home base for creating the activity. We are going to create a number sorting activity. We are going to sort between the numbers 1 and 2. So first, let's go to the top of the screen and give this a title. We're going to click in the title bar up top, and we're going to say sort numbers 1 and 2. Now that we have a title, we need some pictures so that our students can drag and sort. So we're going to go back to the top middle of the screen, to the search bar up here, type in the number 1 and enter. Once you type in the number 1 and hit enter, you'll notice on the left side there are images that have popped up. We're going to select the top left number up here, 1, click and drag to this first orange box on the left. You'll notice that it'll have populated on the screen. Now, let's click and drag the number 1 again to the bottom where it says drag matches to this prompt so that students can have something to match and sort. So let's drag 1, 2, and 3 over to the number 1. Now that we have the number 1 taken care of, let's go back to the top of the screen to the search bar and type in the number 2 and hit enter. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to choose the number 2 in the top left corner, click and drag to the right orange box, and 2 will have populated. Now, let's go ahead and click and drag some numbers to match. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, you'll notice I'm going to try to do a 6th object. And you'll notice right here, you can only have up to 8 objects to sort. That is the maximum number of tiles for a single page. You cannot have more than 8. Now, you can create another page to add to this activity to reinforce and give extra practice. You would do so by coming down to the bottom middle and clicking the Add Page option if you wanted to add more. Now, this activity is done. Let's go ahead and go to the top and click Save As so we can save this activity. We are going to name this Sorting Numbers 1 and 2 for the lesson name. Let's go below, type in the same thing, Sorting Numbers 1 and 2. After we've done that, let's go to the bottom. We're going to keep the folder on My Lessons because that's where it will be saved in. And then let's go down to the bottom again and click on the Save button. And you have just completed your first sorting activity. Now we can go ahead and click Exit Authoring because we have just completed our first sorting activity on GoVizzle.com. Once you click Exit Authoring, you will come to this screen and you are done. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial.